our idea this time was we called the health department, which had announced in the newspapers that they were starting a public education campaign about venereal diseases. So I called up this guy and acted like it was a grown-up group of adults, and asked him whether he would come and lecture to our group on venereal diseases. And he said he would. He was delighted. He was a public health doctor. And we got out leaflets, which we distributed all around the school, saying syphilis can be stamped out, and distributed them. And we got a great, huge audience. They were hanging from the rafters. Unfortunately, my father, who generally was in his office, had been to his doctor the week before, and the doctor had said to him, you're overweight, you've got high blood pressure, and you've got to live differently, and among other things, you've got to walk. So for several miles a day. So my father decided to walk home early from his office. So instead of coming home at 5 o'clock as he normally did, he started to walk home at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which is when the meeting was scheduled for, and somebody handed him a leaflet. And he looked at it and first paid no attention to it, and then he suddenly realized that that was his address. So he dashed home to stop this horrible thing from happening. And he was met by, right after he got home, the public health doctor showed up, and I hadn't told him to come around to the basement, the back door, so he came through the front door. I thought I would hear him come and I would rush up and greet him, but it wasn't to be. He came in the front door and was greeted by my mother and father, who explained to him this was a bunch of high school kids, and that they didn't want him to talk about venereal diseases, and he agreed that he was not going to. So we had all these panting kids waiting downstairs while he was being upstairs, being given a cup of tea and being briefed by my parents. So he came downstairs, and instead of talking about syphilis and how you could get it if you were lucky and how to get rid of it, he talked about acne and the importance of taking cold showers and eating balanced meal, and everybody was very, very disappointed, and my career as the program director of the ASU was ruined.